Underneath the trees, we watch the sky, confusing stars, the satellites. I never dreamed that you'd be mine.
To adjust the selectorized machines by 5-pound increments, in this case it's 30 pounds where the pin is at. You will take a small sized H weight, which is 5 pounds, place it on top of the stack. You now have 35 pounds. If you want it 40 pounds, you remove the 5-pound weight, place the 10-pound larger sized H weight on the stack. The weight is now 40 pounds. To go to 45 pounds, we take the 10-pound weight off, move the pin to 45 pounds, and now you can do your set with 45 pounds. The hip sled is an exercise for the leg muscles. To use the hip sled, put your shoulders under the pads, shoulders and hips flat on the back pad. Feet are about halfway up on the platform. Press it up, push the wings out, that you're holding the machine up. Come down slowly until your elbows touch the outside of your knees. Again, the legs should end up being at a 90-degree angle. Your thighs parallel the platform. Extend all the way back up. Don't remove your hips from the pad. This machine weighs 135 pounds without any weight attached. When you're finished, press it all the way up. Pull the wings in, lower it down slowly. Make sure it catches and step out. Lunges are another exercise for the legs.
Like you and me.
To perform lunges, take a pair of dumbbells in your hand. Take a long stride out. Step to a point where when you come down, both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Stride long, lightly touch your back knee to the floor. Do not bounce or bang your knee off the floor. Throughout the exercise, keep your body perpendicular. Don't lean forward. Look straight ahead. Do 10 repetitions with the right leg and the left leg, alternating right, then left. That will perform a set.
This place, misused, mistakes, too long.
Lat pull downs are an exercise for your back.
To make you wait, just
To perform lat pull downs, grab the bar wide, usually out on the angle of the bar. Sit on the bench, have your knees blocked by the pad. Pull straight down. As you pull down, you'll pull down, pull your shoulder blades together, basically pushing your chest out to the bar where the bar touches lightly on your upper chest. Let the bar up slowly with each repetition. Bring it down with power, up slowly. Seated cable row is an exercise for the back. To perform seated cable row, adjust the foot pegs so they are about the length of the handles. Sit on the bench, put your feet on the pedals with your knees slightly bent. Grab the handles, pull to your starting position, which is back straight sitting straight up and down. Then pull the handles into your belly button and let it out slowly. Do not lean forward and backwards as you do this. Pull the elbows back around the body as if you're pulling your shoulder blades together.
I keep dreaming you'll be with me and you'll never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. So far away.
Arm curls with a bar are an exercise for the biceps, which are located on the front of the upper arm. To perform arm curls with a bar, grab the curl bar with whichever grip you choose. Start with the bar on the legs, go from full flexion to full extension, bending the arms. Come up with power, let it down slowly. Control the weight at all times. If you look at the side view, see the arms go from being straight to being fully bent, controlling the weight at all times. Bring it down slowly. The curl bar weighs 15 pounds without any weight.
So keep breathing, 'cause I'm
Dumbbell arm curls are another exercise for your biceps. To perform dumbbell arm curls, sit on the end of the bench. By sitting on the end of the bench, your arms will be able to freely move from full flexion to full extension without being obstructed by your bench. Start with the dumbbell at your hip. Curl the dumbbell up using the bicep muscle, which is in the front of the upper arm. Go from full extension of the arm straight, to full flexion as far as you can bend it. As you come up, turn the dumbbells so they can freely move up and down without hitting the bench or your legs. Do the necessary number of repetitions. For example, 10 repetitions would mean 10 with the left arm, 10 with the right arm. You can do this in alternating fashion or simultaneously.